Hey there, riders! Today, we've got a hands-on guide for you, how to clean and replace your e-bike brake pads. So, grab your tools, a 5mm Allen wrench, pliers, a clean cloth, square-shaped sandpaper, and some alcohol. First up, pay close attention as we show you how to correctly remove the brake pads from the caliper. Take your time. It's a crucial step in ensuring your e-bike's braking system is in top-notch condition. After removing the brake caliper, straighten the brake pad retaining pin using a pair of pliers. Gently remove the pin, allowing easy access to the brake pad. Carefully push the brake pad out, making sure to handle it with care. Now inspect those brake pads. Look for debris, oil, or any signs of damage. If things don't look right, consider replacing them. Time to clean. Use the sandpaper to delicately scrape off any debris. Then, grab a clean cloth soaked in alcohol and wipe down the pads. Make sure to get rid of any remaining dirt. Give the pads a final wipe down with a dry cloth to remove excess alcohol. Now, insert the brake pads into the brake caliper, ensuring a snug fit. Follow this by inserting the retaining pin through the designated slots. Using the pliers, gently bend the retaining pin, securing the brake pads in place. Mount the brake caliper back into its position, ensuring a secure and stable fit. The moment of truth, test those brakes. Make sure everything feels tight and responsive before hitting the road. There you have it, a step-by-step guide for cleaning and maintaining your brake pads. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more maintenance tips, and hit that bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, ride safe.